A few years ago, the Fairhaven United Church Homes was experiencing a higher than average number of injury claims, mainly due to violence against staff. Sadly, too many Fairhaven employees felt that workplace injuries were simply part of the job. Fairhaven, a nonprofit organization that provides complex care to 200 residents at 2 sites in Vancouver and Burnaby, knew things had to change. It needed to build a culture where safety was ingrained in the entire organization. The Occupational Health Committee was formed by clinical nurse manager Susanna Yu. It was comprised mainly of frontline staff. Their approach to creating a culture of safety at Fairhaven was multifaceted and, as the project suggests, implemented one step at a time. They knew that they needed commitment from all levels, including embedding safety in the organization's strategic plan. Occupational health and safety teams needed to be the champions of the change. The disability management system also needed to be changed, so employees who did become injured returned to work quickly and were supported through this process. Lastly, Fairhaven needed to thoroughly train its staff and ensure that its policies and procedures were designed to protect and support staff, volunteers, student residents, and visitors. The hard work of this team paid off. In the past 2 years, there has been a 76% reduction in injury claims and a 62% reduction in costs. And the number of aggressive behavior incidents reported has increased significantly, not because there is more violence, but because staff are now reporting it. They have come to recognize that violence is not part of the job. For your work in improving employee safety, we recognize the Fairhaven United Church Homes with a Gold Apple in the Workplace Health Innovation category. Generously supported by Healthcare Benefit Trust.